Match level 1080. What's going on today? Oh, interesting. It's like a big down arrow with rockets and chains. I don't think I've seen that before. One little bird in the middle. Two strange rocket launchers on the side. That's gonna... Oh, okay, so this whole thing's gonna crack wide open. And then we're hitting some dog bones at the bottom. Okay, and there's 40 birds. Where do they come from? Anyways, let's get started. Set out these rockets. Okay, the birds drop down. What to do? This is an interesting start here. Yeah, the way these dog bones are angled, you really can only hit like one or two at a time. Okay, this is tricky. I'm not sure what to do here. Yeah. See if I can get these bombs a little closer, maybe. I'm almost a little stumped looking at this. This is just gonna be a slugfest. Trying to get these birds. I'm not sure what triggers the birds dropping, actually. Is it... That's not when you hit the dog bones. I don't see 40 birds. Where are the rest of them? They just kind of randomly drop. Wow, okay. Okay, they just sort of randomly drop down whenever they feel like it. Until that happens, you can't free them. Yeah, just keep making big moves here, I guess. Seems like good progress. What do I do? What do I do? I gotta do something. Eight birds, 8 turns. Seems doable. There we go. That was kind of a unique level. It was interesting.